Uh, did you go? Yes, teacher. Number four. Did you go out last night?
Okay, great. This is called word order. And yesterday we also learned about phonetic symbol, the alphabet one, the way we pronounce phonetic one. Like this one we pronounce A, this one is E, this one is E, this one is I, this one is O, this one is U, and the last one is R. We use phonetic symbol in order to help you when you pronounce a word. Okay, just like that. So what we learned yesterday was like this. But right now we are going to the spelling number. Okay, here we go. So look at this one. How do you say this number? Okay, how do you say this number? Okay, let me call camera first.
I'm called idol or in the order, teacher.
Yes, order.
Yes, 13,
Continue.
13, 30, 76, 100, 150, 375, 6. Teacher, I'm wrong, right?
No, no, no. I don't say you are right or wrong. Just read it. Just read it. Continue. Continue.
600 or 6,000?
It's up to you. I don't know.
I'm sorry, teacher. I'm not sure.
Okay, so if you are not sure, let me
Everyone can help me.
call another one. Chita,
Ăn bị đau một mình mình.
you can start from anywhere. You can start from anywhere.
Continue with camera.
Yeah.
600, 100, 105. Teacher, what? Again, 600, 1,500, 2,000, 10,500.
Okay.
I'm
So
not sure it comes through.
sometimes you may think that number is easy to call, but sometimes number can be called based on different situation. For example, like you call for phone number, we use another way to read the number. So right now you are going to listen and write the number that you hear. We from number 1 to number 4 here. We got somewhere else in the word. I don't know where is it now. So please listen carefully and write down the number you hear. Do you have a pen or pencil with you now?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm going to play the audio for you and you listen. Just a moment, I'm playing now.
Passengers on the British Airways flight to Barbados, please go to gate number 40, where this flight is ready to board.
2. How far is it from London to Manchester?
I'm not sure. Let's Google it. It says here 181 miles.
3.
Hello?
It's Ben. I'm at the station. Do you have Nicola's mobile number?
Yes. Just a moment.
Okay.
It's 0792 9618 847.
0792 9618 847.
That's right.
4. Where do you live in Ireland?
I live in a village near Dublin.
How big is it?
It's quite small. The population is only about 2,500 people. 5. Can I have 2 Cokes and a mineral water, please?
2 Cokes?
Yes, and a mineral water. How much is that?
£6.15.
Sorry, 50 or 15?
15. £6.15.
Okay, is it enough or you want to listen one more time?
Yeah, teacher. One more time, please.
Okay, one more time. So listen again.
Passengers on the British Airways flight to Barbados, please go to gate number 40, where this flight is ready to board.
How far is it from London to Manchester?
I'm not sure. Let's Google it. Ah, it says here 181 miles. 3. Hello?
It's Ben. I'm at the station. Do you have Nicola's mobile number?
Yes. Just a moment.
Okay.
It's 0792 9618 847.
0792 9618 847.
That's right. 4.
Where do you live in Ireland?
I live in a village near Dublin.
How big is it?
It's quite small. The population is only about 2,500 people.
5. Can I have 2 Cokes and a mineral water, please?
2 Cokes.
Yes, and a mineral water. How much is that?
£6.15.
Sorry, 50 or 15?
15. £6.15.
All right. So after listening to this one, anyone can tell me the correct answer? What gate is it? What's the number of the gate?
40.
Okay, very good. The gate is 440. Okay, 40. What about miles? How many miles?
180, teacher.
180. What about the others? Anyone else?
816.
816, not correct. Anyone else?
600, teacher.
600. All right. So the correct number is 181 miles. Okay, 181 miles. How about number 3? The telephone number. What are the telephone number?
792961847.
Wow, that's amazing. 07929618847. Correct. Perfect. How about number 4? What is the population?
2,500, teacher.
2,500. Okay, correct. 2,500. How about pound? The last one, the currency pound. How much pound?
650.
650 or 15?
15, teacher.
50. 15 or 50? 15 or 50?
15, teacher.
15. Correct. It is 6.15. Okay, 115. So this is the way that you can listen to the word, to the number. Now let me help you to read this one for you guys, and you can remember how we read this word. For from the normal number, we pronounce 13, 30, 76, 100, or you can say 100, 150, 375, 600, 1,500, 2,000, and 10,500. So just remember that when we use with a kinds of number like this, 300, and with 75, we use with n, 375. But with 1,000 like this, without a small number, we just say 1,000, 500. And for the number like over 1,000, like 10, and then a part of 1,000 like this, we say 10,000. Okay. In English, there is no mer number like Khmer. Khmer we have Rie, Roi, Pon, Mern, San, Lien, Kaut. But for English, there's only 1,000. But if you want to make up more than 1,000, we double that, like 10, we can say 10,000 or 100,000. Okay, something like that. So now you are going to continue to listen to the interview. Okay, interview your partner and complete the form here. So here's your conversation with your partner. Try to talk to each other and then just imagine about your first name, your surname, your address, phone number, and email. Now I give you some time to fill the information by yourself first. And after that, I will ask your partner to interview you. All right. Now you have 5 minutes. Okay. You have 5 minutes to fill information on your book. Are you clear now, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Are you clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
great.
Yes.
Now, 5 minutes filling your information. You know first name and surname? What are the different?
First name តកូលនាមតកូលបើខ្មែរនៅនាមតកូល
What
បើ
about
អង់គ្លេស
surname?
គឺនាមឈ្មោះ
What about surname? What about surname?
Surname, name the go. First name, ឈ្មោះយើង teacher.
Okay, right. First name, we can say given name. Okay, someone who give you name, we call first name. But for surname, like your generation name, like from your grandfather or grandmother, we call surname. Okay. Now let's do it 5 minutes. After you're ready, just write down in the chat that done. So I will ask you to interview. Okay. So let's do it now.